Hi, this is a very interesting video where we are going to see how we can use multi-agent system for financial analysis. So before diving into the Jupyter notebook, let's go through some concepts. So first we are going to define the process, and in the earlier video we have seen how different agents can delegate tasks to each other in a sequential way or in a parallel way, and there is like multiple type of processes and the way in which different agents can collaborate with each other. And also in this video we are going to see how these multiple agents are collaborating with each other. In this we are going to define a new process in which agents are going to communicate with each other in a hierarchical way, and also there would be a LLM based manager which is going to delegate tasks between different agents and get them executed. So let's get started. So first we are going to import all the filter warnings and the crew AI main classes, agent, task and crew. And then we are going to set up the API key for GPT 3.5 Turbo and the web scraper. We can also use GPT-4 if we have the API keys to that for better output. And then we are setting up all the tools, and now we are going to create different kind of agents. So in this case we are going to create 4 agents. So first one is the data analyst, who monitor and analyze the market data in real time to identify the trends and predict market movements. In this we can see we have allowed the delegation, and also we have given the access of the tools like scrape tool and the search tool. Second comes a trading strategy agent. So once we have analyzed the trading data, now we want to create a trading strategy, and this agent would be doing that. Then comes the trading advisor, suggesting optimal trade execution strategy based on the approved trading strategy. So once the trading strategy is approved, then it is going to suggest what are the optimal trading execution strategies based on the approved strategies. Yes. So next comes the risk management agent, whose role is to evaluate and provide insight on the risk associated with potential trading activities. So these are 4 agents which are going to collaborate with each other and delegate tasks to each other to create a trading strategy for the stock that we want to create this strategy for. Now comes a task of creating tasks. So we are going to create different tasks for different agents, where we clearly define the description and the expected output. For data analyst, it would be the insights and alert about significant market opportunities and threats. Then comes the strategy development task, to develop the strategy, refine trading strategies based on the insight from data analyst, and also user defined risk tolerance. So risk tolerance would be also taking part here. Then comes the execution planning task. Output is detailed execution plan suggesting how and when to execute trades. And then comes the role of risk advisor, and the output is comprehensive risk analysis report detailing potential risk and mitigation recommendations. So now it's time to create a crew, where we have defined all the agents and the task. And here we are also going to create a new agent that too is from OpenAI ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, and as we can give like this new input parameter manager LLM to create a new agent, and crew AI will automatically create a new agent based on this input. And also we can see process is hierarchical. So hierarchical means agent would be communicating with each other in a hierarchical way. Now it's time to give the input. So we have selected the Apple stock, initial capital that we want to spend, what is our risk tolerance capacity, and what kind of trading strategy preference, is it day or long term, and then the news impact consideration. Now it's time to kick off the agents. So let's get started to see how the agents are working. So first of all, the manager is saying continuously to monitor continuously and analyze the market data for the Apple stock, and use statistical model and machine learning to identify trends. So it is executing, it is entering into the chain, and now it is delegating a task to data analyst to continuously like monitor the market and all. So what the analyst is doing, it is visiting different websites. So here it is not able to go to the website because of some JavaScript error, and I need to ask the data analyst if they require any specific data source or tools to successfully monitor. So it is asking it. So then data analyst again comes up with this website Yahoo Finance, and you can see it has scraped all the data from there automatically. And to successfully monitor and analyze, I need to use Yahoo. So this is the analyst telling to the manager what it needs to do. After that, insights and alert about significant market opportunities or threat can be obtained continuously, marketing, all that. And after that, developed and refined trading strategy based on the insights from the data analysis. So this is the manager who is thinking like what the next task needs to be done. And so it is saying refine the trading strategies from data analyst, and also user defined risk tolerances medium. Consider trading preference, day trading, okay. So it is also again giving task to analyst again to monitor, analyze market, and it is going into Yahoo's financial data extraction process, and you can see it has like extracted some real-time data from Yahoo. After that, once this data has been collected, the crew manager is saying analyze approved trading strategy to determine the best possible execution methods. So now it has to delegate tasks to trading strategy developer to actually create a trading strategy and ask a data analyst a question about the current market situation of Apple. So once this task is delegated, now the execution is going to develop a trading strategy for Apple. So the execution has been now done. So you can see there are different links which are extracted out. And this is the output. So as you can see, after analyzing various approved strategies, it is evident that there are multiple options to consider. One popular strategy is to short the position. And it is saying in conclusion, a combination of technical analysis, options trading strategies, and market insight can guide the execution of the trades. Now the manager is saying I need to gather detailed analysis of potential risk and suggest mitigation strategies. So it is delegating the task to risk manager to assess what kind of risks are there. Search. So the risk advisor is going to search the internet for the risks which are involved for shorting the position. It is getting some links out here. So after the risk analysis, the output is, it is evident that this strategy can lead to significant losses and should be approached with caution. Potential for unlimited liability and need for sufficient fund could cover potential losses. So the risk analysis has been now done. So after evaluating the risk associated with the proposed strategies, it is crucial to consider potential challenges and develop a mitigation strategy. So yeah, this is the completion of our financial analysis, and also we are seeing a report from the risk manager, and let's read it out. So this is in the form of the markdown again. So you can see like we have like created multiple agents who are doing financial analysis, which are delegating tasks between each other, and we have created a new agent which is by itself delegating tasks to different agents. So this is how we can create any multi-agent system for different use cases.